Welcome. If you're looking to remove your phone number from Instagram in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you want more privacy or just prefer not to have your number linked, this quick guide will walk you through the updated steps. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Now, let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. At the top right, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those to open the menu. From here, select Accounts Center. This is where Instagram now manages your account details across all Meta platforms. Inside Accounts Center, tap on Password and Security. Next, choose Personal Details. This is where your contact information is stored. Now, tap on Contact Info. Here, you'll see your phone number listed. Tap on the number, and if you have more than one account connected, you'll need to choose which account you want to remove the number from. Once you've selected the right account, you'll see the option to delete from Instagram. Tap that, and then confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it. Your phone number has been deleted from your Instagram account. A quick tip. If you use your phone number for 2-factor authentication, make sure you have an email address added to your account before you remove your number. This helps keep your account secure and ensures you won't get locked out. Removing your phone number can help protect your privacy and prevent people from finding your profile through your contacts. Just remember, if you ever want to add it back, you can always return to the same settings and enter your number again. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more social media tips.